When you have multiple people collaborating on the same sheet, it can be difficult to know what updates have been made and that you might want to review. Highlighting changes is a great feature in Smartsheet that gives you the ability to easily identify and review what has been updated on a sheet in a given time period. To turn on highlighting in your sheet, just go up to your top menu bar and select the highlight option. You want to switch it from off to on, and then you want to select your time period. You can select whether it be hours, days. I choose to do since I last viewed the sheet, so I make sure to get updates on everything. You can also set your color. I personally like yellow as it stands out and directs my eye to it. And that's all you need to do. Now when a team member makes an update on the sheet, it'll turn yellow the next time that you log in.